Yeah, I don't see it either.
I'm holding since point
Don't
forward.
FOMO.
Go ahead.
Listen.
Replies.
It's a reply. It's a tweet and reply. It's a reply tweet from the Art Deco tweet.
All right, guys, we're back. Sorry about that.
Yes, Deco.
I see. I had a steampunk Japan birthday party.
Just bear with me, you guys. Bear with me.
So Art Deco.
Historical time right here.
Up very high that day.
If somebody wants to decode that reply, please get back to us. We've got a $4.99 super chat from Gonzalo Carrozo. Great TA, guys. Learned so much on this chord. Much love to all.
So that tweet, 3 days ago, he said, I love Art Deco. Then this dude, Aaron Gamelli, said, I mix steampunk and Art Deco. And so Elon replied to him saying, I had a steampunk Japan birthday party once. That's it. It's just a conversation.
Oh, you know it goes deeper than that.
Yeah.
It's crazy. We're thinking he's talking in code, dude.
No.
He
Stop
always
it.
talks in code.
Stop that.
Where you putting your bottom?
Get down.
What do you think about these Ethereums?
Get
My
down.
buy limit, I put it at point
Get down from there and don't bark. That is very rude. Watch out. Go on.
I'm being greedy. Don't be
Go.
greedy right now. Like I'm being
Don't be
super
rude,
greedy.
please.
6875 buy limit.
With a super chat from
Thank you
Demon
for being
Mafia for
protected, but you
$2.99,
don't
holding
need to be rude.
200K coins. Bought it at 0.01. Diamond hands, my guy. Diamond hands to the moon. Also, another super chat from
All
Max
right.
EO26.
We are
$5.
back. We
Whoever
are
said they would
live.
take
It is
Doge
all
profit and
right.
turn it into
Just bear with the
XRP.
technical difficulties.
Smart man. That's his opinion. We have super chat from DZ Doge for $5. You all are amazing.
I
Learning
said that.
so much. Let's high 0.75. Let's.
I'm the one who said
1
that. I'm
million
going to
long.
turn Doge profit into XRP.
1 million.
What's your name, bro?
969.
Bob the depressed Bengals fan. I'm down. I'm listening from.
Did you hear me?
All right.
I think Shania had something to say.
1 million Doge longed at 6969.
What a beautiful number.
Like literally, that's not a code. I don't know what it is.
Hey guys, how can I stream the SNL show this Saturday? I don't have any cable.
A VPN should work. No, I'm just messing with you, dude.
If they have
Fubo
YouTube
TV,
live,
man.
you might
Fubo
be able
TV.
to- either that or YouTube sometimes has it live. You can watch it then.
Thanks for the dollar.
I mean,
Michael
like if
Duncan.
they have a YouTube channel. I'm sorry, go ahead.
No,
Alright, thanks,
I'm sorry to cut you off.
No, that's
Thank you
I
guys.
don't know.
for
I could
watching
stream it
this.
live on here.
Yeah, that'd be good. Stream it live if you can. We
Yeah,
want
they
to
should
watch
have it on
that.
YouTube, right? I feel like
There you go, team.
See, look, my order just filled to buy. That's called a retrace right there, boys and girls. That's called a retrace. Boom, more Doge in my wallet.
We're also 300 million away from a $90 billion cap.
That's fucking crazy.
We have a super chat
Excuse
from
my
Adrian
French.
Carter. Sorry to cut you off for $4.99. Just got a 7% gas fee. Had a 10,400 account. And now it's 9,700. Crypto.com. I keep getting these fees anyway to avoid them when you sell your crypto.
No, you can't. So don't use crypto.com to day trade, guys. You can't day trade on crypto.com. The fees are going to eat you up, especially high volatility. The higher volatility, the higher volume, the higher the gas fee. And speaking of volume, look at the volume right now. This is the highest volume we had the whole week. So that's the price moving right there. How bad did it retrace? Ooh, I made a pretty penny on that retracement. I made over 1 cent per Doge.
Is it going to retrace more when it hits 70?
dude, I hate crypto.com. Their ads are on like everything now, and they always just they're obnoxiously loud. They like try and sell you that credit card.
We have a super chat.
It's going to retrace when it hits 70 because it's a big wall at 70. I can look at the order book. Let me set up my other monitor.
We have a super chat from Mirko Henriquez for €5. For those thinking of eToro, there's a 1 cent difference on price and a 1.5 cent sell-buy spread. Love what you guys are doing. Much love from Berlin.
Nice, yeah. For people that don't understand what that means, you could do some arbitrage trading. Usually recommend you could do with bots.
If only Binance US didn't wait till the end of your life to approve you.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, Binance sucks, dude.
What broker guys do you guys use to day trade?
Robinhood.
Uphold right now for now.
A bunch, but like Coinbase Pro mostly and Binance US.
Kraken.
People have been saying KuCoin too.
Yeah,
Yeah, I heard good things about KuCoin. I might switch to that.
KuCoin is really nice. The interface is like beautiful, dude. It's definitely the best looking exchange I've used. It looks really good.
Hold.
We have $2 from Talha Muhammad. Honest advice on where to order on ETC tonight.
Hey, is that leverage on KuCoin?
Yep.
Okay, that's where I need to go start. It sounds like the Binance thing might be ahead of in America.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, KuCoin's verification process seems a lot easier, and the fees are just as low. You also get like the fee reduction from having KuCoin tokens, and you can also use the referral code.
So if you here, pretty big deal.
Yeah, can you send it to me, or I gotta just go in the link and click?
Look at that retracement, guys. Look at that retracement. I'm telling you, every time it hits that 0.70, when it even nibbles at that wall a little bit, it's going to retrace. People are going to take profits.
Super chat from Gabriel Cruz for $5.
Yeah,
So I'm using
super chat.
Robinhood. Should I sell half? Hold on, guys. So I'm using Robinhood. Should I sell half of what I have at 0.7, then buy back all of that at 0.68? We can't really tell you what to do, but if you listen especially to Tame and some others here, you'll kind of get the feel of where this is going, or at least where the popular opinion is.
If you go to General, I'm posting that link in the General right now, dude.
Doge is #1 trending on Twitter.
Oh boy.
Living with Lucy, her portfolio is already at 1.5 million since she kept holding. It's amazing. Today, she's up $500,000 today just from holding.
Oh my god. I'm just holding. I wonder what's going to happen to mine. I should check it. I'm curious.
Wow, that's crazy. A friend of mine made 6 figures off Doge.
That gives me hope.
Talha Muhammad, again, we
Hold
can't
on, let me
give
look
you
at what I
direct
got right now.
advice on it.
Oh my god.
Take photographs, like meet
You guys
people who
cannot believe it.
work at the company and
Turn up
talk
this
to them.
volume a little.
That's what I was doing tonight.
Oh, it's already up. Cool, it's fine.
Guys, I'm boxer face. Boxer face, your server muted. I will unmute you later. Sorry, you have your speaker like wide open.
Well, you just said.
I came back. I did a flip and came back when I was 6666.
I have so much respect for you now, brother, because I'm a businessman, and I know a businessman when I'm saying game, I'm saying game. When you just say you're a businessman, brother.
Hey, you should have Doge on your shirt.
Hey Brody, I totally was just trying to check in on you because I feel like we've probably been playing phone tag all day. If you've been in, I've been in and out, but you know I'm here for the long hold, so just checking in to see what you were up to today.
What?
Guys, is it okay? I got a crypto minute right now, just looking at the market. So looking at Bitcoin, it's sitting right now at 54.38. It's down just 0.23%. Ethereum is at 3,259. It's down 0.69% in the last hour. We've got Binance. It's sitting at $627.52. It's at positive 0.44%. Doge is sitting at 0.684. It's up 2.62% in the last hour. XRP is down. It's down 0.06, so it's not much, but it's sitting at 1.42. Cardano is sitting at it's $1.31. It's sitting at 0.20 positive. And we've got Polkadot. It's sitting at $36. It's 0.19% up.
I'm thinking about getting some of that one.
Uniswap is down. It's sitting at $42.57. It's 0.12% down.
Some other ones too.
Litecoin, it's at $331.51. It's up 0.7. Yeah, I was just going to chain link right now. It's
I love
up.
you. Of course, I'm
It's
going to share my Philly cheesesteak hot pocket with you.
It's up 0.451.
Of course, I'm going to give you the last bite. Let me eat the most of it and then give you the rest of it. You got your own food. I got to eat too, bud. We both got to stay alive, dude.
Come on, answer your phone. You have 2 million Doge. Answer your phone. You have to get this scalp. Answer your phone, please. Gonna miss a scalp on 2 million Doge.
I hit the 24-hour mark, but it looks like overall the market cap is sitting at $2.33 trillion. So we've been floating around there for pretty much all day today. So it's been a good day. You know, Doge has definitely been pumping. Ethereum Classic has been doing great. It's up. I mean, I think Doge is up crazy.
I would like to go ahead and just sell mine and then go buy one and get smaller good. But no, thank you, because
you've been making money today.
I don't think so. I don't want to do that. I don't know yet.
Yeah, thank you for that. Who is that does the crypto minute? Sway. Thank you.
How do you think I don't want to be stuck up that high?
From High Almighty for $5. This is their opinion. Let's coordinate on a pre-SNL sell party. What time are we thinking, ladies and gents? Saturday, 2 a.m. I bought in at 0.005. Let's get this Fred.
Nice.
No pump and dump. No pump and dump.
I could just chime in on like all the tops. It's also very important if you're like a weekly swing trader. It's very good to look at those low numbers, like the low gainers, the losers of the day, because you know those guys are kind of primed up and ready to go after everyone else has been running their laps. You know.
I'm gonna put a little bit in. I think I'm gonna take your suggestion, man. Put a little bit in VeChain, and what else is looking pretty good? I want to put some in Filecoin, but
I'm in VeChain. I'm in VThor, and a little bit of Harmony One, and some BNB sprinkled on top.
Our Filecoin is down right now. It's good to buy Filecoin.
We have a super chat from Maxio26 for $5. I think we're going to need Tame for this one. It's a victory screech. But if
Alright, guys, on the count of 3, we're going to do like 3, 2, 1, and then blah, blah. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, settle down. Alright, guys.
This is $5 well spent.
You need the equivalent of that on the chat so that all these dudes can join, because this is too good. It's been
pump it up. You gotta pump it.
Alright, guys. Wait, who has a speaker? Somebody still has a speaker? Everybody on YouTube, put a rocket in the chat because we are going to get a little bit of turbulence here. We are setting at 45 RSI. That was a dip in the RSI. The trading bots are going to trigger and buy this dip up. So put rockets in the chat if you're holding your Dogecoin. If you bought on that dip earlier, put rockets in the chat because the trading bots are buying right here. We're up 54% today. Doge is going to touch 69 cents again. I promise you. Put rockets in the chat.
I'm in with you, Tame, on an average of 686.
Tame is doing them quick scalpies. Bang, bang.
We have a
I sold at 69, so I'm trying to pick up this dip right now.
We have a super chat from JR Gonzalez for $5. Anyone going to get in on BitTorrent early on? If so, what platform to buy?
Guys, be careful buying. If it's not an IPO, if it's direct offering, be careful. They can sell their shares to you. They've been working there a long time as employees, so be careful. Look what happened to Coinbase. Brian Armstrong dumped his shares on you guys. You guys are holding that Coinbase bag right now if you bought Coinbase. Consider that.
Dude, Coinbase was like gnarly. I think they straight pumped up the price pre-market or before the IPO was released. Then when it was released, it pumped to like over $400 and then it just shot straight down. It's still dumping, so yeah, be careful.
Can I chime in on that too?
BitTorrent's going public?
There's going to be a new swing of a lot of decentralized exchanges, and I don't know if Coinbase, if they're, you know, cutting their slack to update their system to start doing some swappy-doppy stuff. So I just, you know, everyone's got to keep their eye on DeFi right now, because I think DeFi might be the next move coming up.
I know for sure. I joined Exodus, and I saw that they are looking to do an IPO and join the market as well. They are like, if anyone has Exodus, you do have a chance to buy it outright through Exodus. But same situation as Coinbase. They are, you know, they have a great reputation. They have great ties with like cold wallets like Trezor, which has a great reputation. They have plenty of opportunity to make big bucks, just like Coinbase did. So there are some opportunities out there for people trying to get in before the IPO releases. So keep an eye out for that. I'm sure people are posting that too through the links. Guys on YouTube, if you guys are still kind of on the fence about it, join the Discord. There's a lot of info here in the drop downs.
This is so cool to be a part of this time.
Plays in the future, so just
Man,
be
this is
mindful
cool.
of that and yeah, keep making those bucks.
When I'm a grandma, I'm gonna
BitTorrent
remember this
isn't
time.
going IPO or anything like that.
I'm gonna
He's
tell her
probably
this
talking about the
story.
crypto.
No, I was talking about Exodus, but I don't know about BitTorrent. I actually
super chat. That's where it went from the super chat, and I'm pretty sure the super chat was
Big dip, big dip. Big dip.
hold my dick, guys, hold my dick.
Big dip energy.
In my opinion.
And BitTorrent's actually in a really nice dip right now. It was up over a penny. It's back down to like half a penny, and I have a bunch of them.
Did we get that super chat from Dino777?
No, dude, read it out.
I mined BTT for a day on 100 mH ETH hash, got 400 in a day. We also have a super chat from Colin Lambrecht. Thoughts on Engine Coin, XRP, price target to sell ETC?
Hey, for this KuCoin, do I have to like buy a certain amount or anything for you to get your reward?
It's just I think for every transaction you make or something, once you make a transaction, you get the 20% and I get the 20%, and it lasts for a year.
That's dope. All right.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you for that.
Mm-hmm.
And then I already signed up for it. I should have got a referral. Damn.
Yeah, if you send out referrals to people and they do it, I think your profile you can stack, so it just continues to stack. I don't know how much it can stack, but I know there's different levels to like your account for the more people you refer.
Let me ask you a question.
Hey guys.
Go ahead, if it's important.
We have price action. This is important. Like it took a big dip right there, guys. It took almost a 2 cent dip. You guys missed out on that 2 cent dip right here.
Look at Bitcoin's dipping too, so
Unless you have TA. Unless you have TA, don't talk. If you have TA, say something right now. Guys, look, it could retrace all the way down to 664. 664 is another support level. If this dips down to 664, it could be like one of the best dips of the night for this time until 3 o'clock in the morning. So keep your eyes out.
I was literally going to say the same thing. I did a little Fibonacci retrace, and it's looking like the next support line is 0.6423. So yeah, we'll see what it does.
6.4 or 6.64?
I have my. Yeah.
I want this dip. I'm gonna wait for that. I think that you're right at the 6.4.
You might want to do 665 to secure the bag, but yes, it is dipping. Like I told you guys, once it hits that wall, it dips. It always does that. I've never seen it hit a wall that big and not dip.
Do you know what the wall is at right now, Tim?
For what price? I can look real quick.
I'm trying to figure out if it's gonna break this 6.9 wall.
6.9 is 10 million and 7 point is 40 million.
Thank you, voice of God.
Hot Pocket's all gone, my friend. That was it. I gave you the last. Gave you the last,
good morning,
my
guys.
friend.
You still have faith in
Good morning, man.
the 6.4?
Oh, look at Dizzy butt.
Dude, I don't know if it's me because I am on my laptop right now and no, well, I mean I have you on my.
Yeah, you have speakers. Go to your voice and video settings, turn on noise suppression, and turn on
It's all
echo
gone, my friend.
cancellation.
It's
so
all
that
gone. You
we don't
ate the
hear
last
ourselves when we
bite.
talk.
Guys, can I just say I went to sleep last night. I was speaking to Ricky and all that, and I thought, it's pretty high here, and it was going down. It was really going down. It was like 5.4.
Watch out.
So I was like, let me just convert this to Theta and go to sleep just to play it safe. I woke up 6.8. It's like, oh shit.
I have to keep saying though, make sure you guys always, every now and then, just keep your eye on BTC because there are many times it does correlate. I know sometimes it doesn't, but majority of the times, when you do see a pretty nice BTC little dippy, you're gonna see a Doge dippy.
Mic check. Am I still echoing, guys?
No, but if somebody's talking, just leave your push to talk off. Here comes that dip I was talking about. Why is it down?
And if we're scalping, this is a dip we want to buy because we'll write it back up to 69 cents.
Ooh, no, not me. I'm out.
You're out? Are you done?
Oh no, for the scalp, this is dangerous for me, man. I'm not as brave as you, Tame.
Oh no, that's for the people that sold earlier. Remember, I sold at 692. So it's already 2 cents profit per Doge if I buy in right here. But I told you 664 is the resistance.
Okay, I'm looking at the charts right now, and for the hour chart, the MACD is dropping a little bit. I'm not looking at the RSI because the RSI is like kind of irrelevant right now with Doge. Looking at the 30-minute, it is also moving down in the MACD. So we are looking at a dip right now, 15 as well. It's dipping down as well. 5-minute, it's also trending down as well. And looking at the minute, yep, it's trending down as well. So my guess would be it's on a downward motion right now. So just be mindful of it. I'm going to wait a little bit to see where it goes. I still have a position in it. But I pulled out my 40%. I only got 60. I have 60% in the market right now. So we'll see where it goes. I'm going to see if I can pick up at the dip.
Yeah, to tell you guys the truth, I was expecting it to rest at 57 cents for at least like 2 days, but so now it's definitely got to take a little breather around here, but definitely not saying definitely.
I wasn't expecting it to go past 50 cents until
the
after
beauty
Saturday
about
Night Live.
crypto is that it's so worldwide that we can be in our own sentiment and like, getting ready to go to bed, and then like somewhere in the other side of the world, it can be pumping like crazy, and it can just like pick up like crazy. But that also reminds me, like, guys on the chat, there's a lot of new people on this chat right now. I want to see people represent their country. I want to see where you guys are from. Like, earlier today, I saw people from all over the world. So guys on the chat, like, post where you're from. I want to shout you guys out.
I'm representing Transylvania, just if you guys want to know what's up.
I gotta go to bed, guys. So
Calm down. Don't bark at me, little toot
Good night,
toot.
Yukon.
brother.
Good night, Yukon.
Not yet.
And my
Calm
brother
down.
from
Chew
Transylvania
on
is
your
not alone
bonbon.
either.
You got a crew from Transylvania. I feel that.
Calm down.
Transylvania, Arkansas, Nigeria.
Man, Transylvania, Romania, brother.
Romania.
I had we got a Transylvania too. Just saying.
That's a lot of countries. Oh my god.
I see the Netherlands. I see
Representing
Nigeria. You can go out live in Jersey.
Yeah, but you don't got no vampires in there, though.
Mexico. What's up, Mexico? Poland, San Francisco, Bangladesh. We got Kuwait. We've got Austria, India. Dude, India is
Canada
right now. Iraq. What's up, Iraq? Dude, Syria. Dude, Philippines.
Hey, I had a question, but
get it, man.
For Robinhood,
Guys on YouTube, if you want a trading bot, check my video description. You can download and use the trading bot in my video description. It is a membership fee, bitsgap.com. But if you can configure this trading bot and you're holding over 5,000 Doge, you can see significant profits while you're sleeping, and it's hosted on their server. You don't host it on your machine. So look at my video description if you want a DOGECOIN trading bot. If you pay for the best membership, you can trade up to 15 trading bots at the same time. So check the video description, use the link, guys, bitsgap.com, use my referral link, and you can get a trading bot.
In case anybody's interested, let me see if I can grab that link. See if I can grab it. Cannot grab it. Sorry to tell you that. I will try to grab it from my other phone and put it in the chat if I can. Is this thing like
I'm here in
totally
California,
live?
sitting in LA, and I'm just like,
Make sure this thing's like totally.
comment allez-vous? Le Burkina Faso.
Dang.
I mean, I want to learn a few, how to say hello.
I could teach you in Romanian. Ce faci in Romanian.
How do I say hello?
Ce faci.
Bonjour.
Cuiri Bajao, that's native people from Chihuahua, Taromaras. Cuiri Bajao.
Wait, Chihuahua, Mexico, or is Chihuahua where?
Yeah, Chihuahua, Mexico, bro. I live in Cali, but I was born there and I grew up here in Cali.
Dude, I just say hola because, this Hispanic side is like the common language, but how do you say it again?
It's
Portuguese too.
It's Cuiri Bajao. It's a dialect from the native people there from Chihuahua area. They're races known as Taromaras.
So they're more like the Incas or like more the native, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
I thought so, dude. That's dope, man. Yeah, in Panama, I was born in Panama, and yeah, there's some natives there, and they have their own dialect, which is crazy. But dude, respect. you know, I love the international culture. I studied international business, and anytime I come across someone that speaks a different language, I gotta take a little piece of it, you know. So guys, dude, chat is going lit right now, guys. What's up?
Yeah,
I was able to grab that link, guys.
Hallo,
Put it up in
willkommen.
here.
Ich werde gerne bestellen Wasser mit Zitrone, bitte.
I know we got some Germany in this Discord. Who knows some German right now?
Auf Wiedersehen.
Guten Morgen.
All I know is Farthignugen.
Good morning. Hey, is this thing, you guys expecting this thing to go sideways for a while?
Sausage Wiener.
Oktoberfest.
Anybody got any coins under a penny that they've been investing in that's doing good?
I've been hearing good things about BTT. And VTHO is close around a penny. It's not too far away.
I came across an article pumping up XLM, which is a lot of people say it's like the smaller sister of XRP. People were saying that they see that pumping by the end of the year. I have no DD on it, so don't take my word for it. But you know, you were asking, so I figured I'd share.
I like XLM a lot. Like, I wish I would have took it while it was on that dip. When Bitcoin had the dip, I looked at it. I'll never get that price again.
What price point were you looking at, man?
It was like 40 cents.
Ooh, that was pretty nice, actually.
Hey, do we still got the super chat guy, Mr. Radio Voice?
Oh, yeah. We got a super chat from Ankit Ranjan, I think. Sincerest thank you to all the people in the community. Great work, guys. Shout out from India. And in India, we say namaste to greet.
You the man.
Namaste, Brody.
Namaste.
What's your name, by the way?
Where's the doctor?
Okay, we got a super chat. It's 100. I'm not sure what the currency is. If anyone knows, shout it out. But it says, a sincerest thank you to all the people in the community. Great work, guys. Shout out from India. And in India, we say, oh, you just said this, right? Dude.
Yeah, that's okay, though, guys.
Delayed, Brody.
We have a $10 super chat from Shauna Huber again. What is your personal prediction on BTT? I just started investing in it today. I also have Dogecoin, ETH Classic, VeChain, and is that Cello that are all giving me gains so far.
Dude, Shauna's been on the chat for a little while. What's up, Shauna? Shout out to you. I'm not too sure about BTT. I saw it about a few months back, and I overlooked it because I was stuck on GME. And, I put all my coins in there, but with these Doge gains, I've been looking at BTT as a possible position just to put some money in it and see what it does. But I'm sure there's a few people on here that have a little more experience with it.
Just curious.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I was gonna say I've had BTT for a couple months now. Read a lot about it. Everything I've been reading recently is saying that it could go over $1 now because it was bought out by Tron.
Sure.
Or merged with Tron. So
We have a super chat from Francis Young Jr. Francis says, hello from Singapore.
What's up, Francis?
I'm just wondering how many people are still in AMC and GME, or who pulled out and put it all into crypto?
Man, I'm holding Sarge. I'm in both.
It's
a no. You don't sell AMC or GME.
I'm holding 130 and buying another 12K next week.
What are you doing, GME or AMC?
Both, but that's for GME. That's the bigger play.
Wait, who's this? This voice sounds familiar.
It's Fizzy.
What's up, Fizzy? How's it going?
What's going on? Who's this?
It's Sway. How you doing?
Sway. There's so many names. I can't figure out who's talking.
I know, you just kind of have to shout it out because it's there's like OGs mixed with like young bloods.
It's all good.
Sway's sounding like Rabbi
Dead
Money.
burst.
Where is Rabbi?
Dude, Rabbi Money is like
So funny.
Mm-hmm.
yeah. He's good
Cracks
on
me up.
that, bro.
Hey man, it's Rabbi Money.
Yeah, you love him.
Shalom.
I love him. I fucking love him.
He got the vision,
yeah.
though. He definitely got the vision.
Yeah, who's talking with the deep voice right there, calling the dips all day?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
That is Drew Crypto.
Oh, Drew Crypto. Is people calling you DJ today?
I'm not sure. I used to.
Yeah, they
DJ
were.
back in
Yeah,
the
it's
day.
JD, bro. It's JD.
Oh, that's JD over there.
Yeah, that was me calling it out. I don't know if somebody else was. I was definitely calling out the dips all day.
So it was JD and it was Drew.
Hey Drew, you got that sweet low voice, Brody. You gotta give. Wait, what is it? I'm gonna see if I can find you on Discord. What is it, Drew?
Drew Cryptoge.
Who's the
very
radio
white
guy?
voice.
You gotta have a voice like Morgan Freeman.
Who's the radio voice guy?
That is me.
And what's your name?
My name is Relic.
Relic. All right.
Dude, Relic. Oh my gosh, dude. Even when you're stating your name, it sounds like I'm logging into like, a video game or something, and I'm getting ready to like jump in, Brody. You got like your voice funny. Oh my gosh.
Now. Ready, player one.
Hard.
Oh shit, push to talk.
Dude, you have like that perfect voice for any video game.
We should have him do like the top 10, like Casey style.
Yeah, my real name is Haywood.
Okay, so I live out in LA, Relic, and I do casting calls with friends, and I join them. Have you done any castings at all, like for your voice? Dude, you should do some voice acting.
Dude, I have not, and people always tell me that. I would love to do it. It's beats, actually working for a living, right? Message me.
Okay, yeah. I'll send you. Where are you located?
Imagine that.
I'm in Washington. Washington State.
Dude, voice travels, Brody. So yeah, if I come across anything, I'm sending it your way because you got a great voice.
I got a recommendation.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
Just check out.
Dear Jesus, I pray you let this young man get ahead
They have,
for sure. With the
very
gift you
good,
blessed him with that voice.
Film jobs, crew jobs, voiceovers,
Cool,
and
God.
stuff like that. Mandy.com.
What kind of mic do you use, Joey?
I'll answer that in just 1 second. We got from Andres Felipe for $4.99. Pray for Colombia. Our government is killing us.
Oh, dear Jesus, please bless Colombia.
Colombia.
I don't know, man. That
God
sounds
bless
serious.
Colombia.
Right. We also have a super chat from ACG137 for $2.50. Been watching this channel for quite some time now and learned a lot from initial $200 investment. I got my double returns. Hoping to interact with you guys
Oh my
more.
God, he's freaking precious. Just look at him.
I'm gonna look at this right now to see what's going on with Colombia.
Guys, this is why I
Oh
saw
my
this. This
God,
dip is
just look
coming.
at him.
The
He's
resistance at
precious.
654.
Yeah, be ready.
654.
Oh my
You
God,
guys
he's in
thought
his
it's gonna
natural
keep going up?
habitat.
No. When I
Yes,
get to
come
my
on.
house, that when
Come
DOGECOIN
on.
dips. I'm sorry, that's how it works. That's how it works around
Come
here.
on.
I'm with you.
Tame, are you in
Good
a
God.
6875?
No, I sold
Be
those.
careful
and
there.
I put it at the resistance 654.
It's starting to look pretty. I like the way it's starting to
Ooh.
even down past the
Just
last.
calm down.
I was on the phone with two people, like
Little
helping them
toot.
because they just helping them buy because they sold when I sold at 692.
Listen
told him,
here,
like, be patient, wait for a
dinero.
dip, I'll call you and let you know.
Dogecoin's going to the moon,
I know
okay?
some people don't like super churns, but it did just drop under my super churn, my 3-minute super churn, just a little bit under right now.
And beyond.
Also, what I was saying
How are you gonna
earlier,
go
it can
through the moon?
definitely hit a 0.65.
Okay.
It's like
Dinero.
definitely sliding down. Looking at the hour,
I don't want to
you see
wrestle.
the 15-minute.
Not
It's
wrestling
slowing down. The MACD is
time.
moving down. It just
Not
crossed over
wrestling
within the
time.
last 15 minutes. Looking at the 5-minute. It's moving down.
Crazy little cuckoo butt.
Who's holding their mic with a speaker? If you have a speaker, don't hold your mic down. Please, get a headset.
It's gonna hold higher. It's gonna hold at 663.
Can I ask you guys a question about the Discord, the channel, the community?
That's enough, okay?
Once
No.
once the Dogecoin hype passes and we're more stable, you guys are keeping the channel and going to other coins, other opportunities. What are you planning to do? What?
Dude, I will
Play by ear.
answer some of it, but people can chime in. So I joined about 3 months ago. The thing that got me in it was GameStop.
Yeah.
When GameStop was squeezing it, or it had its initial push. A lot of the guys on here would just share knowledge. Discord was all about knowledge. It was all about, you know, trying to get ahead up on like the market and opportunities out there. The market is large, dude. We're looking at one crypto. There's like thousands of cryptos, and then there's like thousands of not only stock, you can do options, there's futures. And so this was initially a channel that, you know, they shared a lot of that. I think right now the focus is definitely Doge because the gains are just, they're too good to pass up. But I think overall, long term, you'll start to hear more people chime in on like opportunities and in just the market in general. So I think long term, you know, it's a great place to be at, just to be informed of what is going on out there. You know, normally most people use like a news aggregator to like be up to date on what's going on. Other people have different styles, but the Discord for me, it's been a great opportunity to just be informed on like what's happening right now and maybe what someone else might be seeing. You know, as you know, we all, you know, walk different walks of life. We all work in different places, and someone else's knowledge can be gold for someone that might be in a different position. So I think overall, like long term, I think this is just like a great, like informative place to check in on. You know, just tap in and see what's going on. If you're on Discord, there's plenty of like updates on like different tickers and things like that. So I think it you know, moving past Doge, I mean, Doge is still going to be a factor, especially I see it going past $1.
Thank you so very much.
So Doge is going to be a play, but there's a lot more plays out there, and I think this is a great resource for that.
Hey, Rabbi, I'm so sorry. My internet just dropped. I was just curious, are we still on that little downtrend?
Trend.
I think the downtrend stopped, but hey, guys, I'm going to take off. This is Chad speaking. Thanks for having a great day with me. Appreciate it. I'm tired. I'm catching a cold, so I'm going to get out of it.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Chad.
Appreciate it. Have a good one.
God bless Chad. Get well soon.
I'll share my screen on the 3-minute if you guys want. I'll share my screen and I'll leave up all my strategies. And just what I do is I always buy when the par LE is +2, and I always buy when I have the green dot down here in my wave chart. The green dot lights up, and the yellow VWAP in the wave chart is above and rising. That's when I do my buys and my scalps.
Hey, Chad, this is Ed, and I just want to thank you.
What's your username?
Chad W.
Hey, Chad, it's been a pleasure, man. I'll check in with us tomorrow, and let's get these games, Brody.
Yeah, we did some good calls tonight, man. Everybody was panicked for a little while, and we called. I mean, I just looked at these charts out and pulled out a little bit, and man, we just nailed these calls. Me and that Havoc kid. I mean, we pretty much called it all night. We had help from Drew and from that other JD guy. Those guys were calling the dips like masters, almost like tame.
We have a couple super chats here.
Sorry, who has a speaker still? I'm hearing like echo every time we talk, or somebody's playing a video in the background. If you have a speaker, let us know so we can fix that right now.
I hear it too.
All you have to do is turn on echo cancellation, and it will minimize most of that. And when somebody's talking, definitely don't push to talk.
We have a super chat from Tube Seller. How do I contact the radio voice guy on this stream? I am a talent manager. I can direct you in the right direction. You can message me on Discord, Relic8995, and that sounds pretty cool. Message me.
Let's go, Relic.
We have
That's what Doge Army is all about. Doge Army is about love, man.
each other up, bro.
Feel like people want to help each other. I mean, You can hear it all the time when someone's going through something rough. It's like everybody got together, a moment of silence. You can just feel that. And now it's just like looking out. It's like, yo, this dude, let me look out. Doge Army for life. Let's go.
No, De Niro, I do not want to wrestle with you right
Absolutely,
now.
do good every
love
day, man.
you.
Sorry to cut you off
Okay?
there. There's a super chat from Andre that says,
I
for
wanna
$4.99, it says, what city are you using currently? Or sorry,
Don't
what
try to
site, I
antagonize
guess he
me.
means, are you using currently?
You
I'm using
calm
Robinhood.
down.
But if
Take
you're
it
talking
on.
about the graphs, I think Tame can take that for you.
Hi, this is Tame. I'm using Crypto Watch on the left side, the interface showing the order book. On the chart, I'm using TradingView.com. I have a
Stop
link in the video description.
Settle
you can
down.
just go to
You're getting a little
TradingView.com.
too
It's a
crazy.
good charting platform, but sometimes the
Stop.
advertisements pop up, and that
Good
can
grief.
really mess up your charting, as you saw earlier when I was on my mobile.
And Matthew Bryan, thanks for the $4.99.
Goodness gracious.
Yeah, he just threw in a $4.99. Unless you were going to post something, but thanks for the donut. I use a combination of a lot of different ones. I recently got into TradingView. I do have a Webull account, so I use that to kind of keep an eye on things. But I also have accounts open in a lot of other sites. I do like Webull just because it's something that I used early on. But I think TradingView is great just because their charts, they have a lot of options for people in general. Robinhood, Robinhood was like the plug to get me like started, but their charts are really tough. They don't have a lot of information. So yeah, I've been looking at other options and also asking you guys to see what you guys use as well.
We have a super chat from Robert Preston for $5. I've been lurking daily for about 2 weeks. I know the feeling. Love the channel. How do I go about getting Discord access, please?
Yeah, check out the description if you're on YouTube, check out the description on the YouTube link. It has a lot of information down there from not only people that you can follow for charts, but also like Discord info. And then you'll go through a vetting process with Tame to get you in the Discord. And then from there, dude, welcome to the gold mine. There's a lot of info there. There's a lot of people sharing a lot of info there. And it's where it's at for sure.
If you're here watching the YouTube stream and you're interested in trading, this is a great first step, just being here in the YouTube stream. And if you'd like to, continue to gain that knowledge and, get the wealth from a great group of minds, look into joining that Discord.
Yeah, it sure is. We actually just came out of a little reversal there, back into an uptrend.
I like to call that the bishop.
I have a question.
Might as well leave it on the 1 hour, eh?
Someone with a question? Push to talk.
Am I good to hold this overnight?
That is a very good question, sir. Me personally, I like waking up with Doge in my cup, but I don't know about other people.
I did last night, and I was pretty happy when I woke up.
Not my swings though, not my short term. Like my long term, I sleep. I don't do any stop limits, nothing. I let it roll. Been letting it roll, but my other swing plays and stuff like that, I definitely put like a little stop limit somewhere a little bit lower than low.
Yeah, I'm in at 0.41, so I'm feeling pretty good.
Another super chat from Matthew Bryan. Is there a way I can call in? I think that's what we were just talking about, is that we're all in a Discord server, the people that you hear on this YouTube stream.
Any dips coming through?
Everybody got a different YouTube channel also, mostly. Some people don't got YouTube because it's a different thing they're streaming on. This is such a cool thing to bring people together, that's for sure. That is for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave a good position in for the night for sure. Last night, waking up to this morning, it was a great surprise, and then it surged. I'm trying to look at the day chart. The day chart that I see here, it looks like the RSI is really high, but with Doge, you can't really take that into consideration. the MACD has some room to move up. It hasn't crossed yet or shown any signs of crossing. Me personally, it's not financial advice. I will definitely leave a position in there, just to see where it goes, because all it takes is someone else on the other side of the world to pump it. So I at least try to leave a position in there. If not my full amount, I'll leave at least 60% of it in there.
Nice.
Do you think this thing can go back in the 50s?
Hello?
Uh-oh.
Hi, I was just wondering, you guys have like tutorials on the charts?
If you are on Discord, you can definitely join some other people sharing their charts for actual like tutorials. I think Tame might have a list of a few people to follow that are great for.
Actually, just scroll up in the Discord, brother. There's a page called Charts, and you could just start there.
And helpful links.
Thanks.
And whoever was asking if it's possible to drop in the 50s, I mean, if it does retrace, I wouldn't say like drop. If it does creep down a little bit and like tries to get some more price action, I would say around like between 50, anywhere between 52 to 56. I mean, that's like a broad range, I know, but that's like the buffer zone that I'm looking at if it has to do what it's got to do.
I see 54.
I thought 54
I don't
too.
think it's gonna fall below 50.
That was my number 2. I thought
Jason,
54.
if you're out there, Jason, check
I
your
almost
Facebook
said it
message.
before he said
Jason,
between
check your
52 and
Facebook
56, but
Really wish it would retrace back to that.
Seriously.
It'd be so much for
even
this
if it does,
situation.
I'm not going to buy in.
Well, it's just
Because it's
top
higher
heavy,
than what
man,
I bought in
for the
at.
speed that we've come up with fast.
So, for me personally,
The
while I'm
public sentiment
learning,
on it
I'm
is
just
really
going to
pushing
chill.
it. So it's like really, I mean, I would love for it to dip, to buy that dip, but even looking at like my little retracement chart here, it would have to drop below 64. Then I'm looking at like a 61, then 59. So it's like it's still got some stages to drop, unless like a big whale decides to just like sell off and take his profits and then catch the dip, which it can happen. It's hard to call that. It's pretty hard to call that.
Yeah.
I took 40% 30 minutes ago, but FOMO still kicks, dude.
FOMO kicks the voice of God.
What do you guys think is going to happen on Saturday?
It's gonna be done by Saturday. People are gonna be left holding bags. If Saturday is a thing.
Yeah, I think so too.
Absolutely. That's what always
I
happens.
think
It's
the
just like
same
a
thing. That's why I'm
earnings
holding
run-up
on to what I
call.
got
If you know
down nice
anything
and low and
about stocks,
comfy
treat it the same
and
way.
safe. Just leave it
Well, I thought that a lot of this buy up was because Gemini was purchasing Doge and also eToro, and
That would make sense, yeah.
that was Monday was eToro, and Tuesday night was no, that wasn't Tuesday night. Wait, no, today is Tuesday night. It was last night was Gemini.
What are you guys talking about for Saturday?
Oh, there's just the belief that Doge Father appearing on SNL will have some sort of impact on the price.
And that psychological 69 level too, I think.
Yeah, so quick question. When everything settles out, where do you guys think this will land? Over $1, under $1, $100? I mean, I'm talking short term, not long term, you know.
Oh, sure.
I'm talking about in 2 weeks.
Oh, because long term I was going to say $1,000 in 4 years, but I don't know, short term.
Long term, it'll be $1 in the next 2 weeks.
There's a super chat from Kyle Bruner for $2. Thank you for doing what you're doing. So helpful.
Heck yeah, Brody. Guys, I've been super bullish on Ethereum Classic. I think it's definitely going to hit past $100.
It's about to break.
It's sitting right now at 88. But if anyone has positions on there, I'm sure you guys are feeling really good about it because it's been moving like crazy.
I've been sitting here looking at it, man, and I'm just kind of getting scared of it. I wish I would have went in the 40s.
Hey guys, it's Avic here. Just wanted to say good night to everyone. Hope everyone had a great night. Had a great time with everyone here. And yeah, to the moon.
Thanks for the charge earlier, man. Good night.
To the moon.
Yeah, man. Havoc, take care out there, man.
We have a super chat from Alejandro
Thank you,
Velasquez.
guys.
Alejandro.
Me too, man. And he's giving another $5 and says, people in the chats are confused about the Discord. Can you clarify? If you check the YouTube description, it will give you some instructions on how to go about that.
Ready, play one.
Yeah, if you're new, you can go to discord.gg, discord.gg, download the application, run it on your computer. It works really good on mobile smartphones, but it works even better on a laptop, because if you're on a laptop, you can share your screen and ask questions, and people are happy to help.
Oh, hey guys. Some people were trying to add me on Discord. I'll add you guys back. It's nice to meet y'all.
So would it be a good idea to pull out
Thank you,
before
Jesus, we're still
Saturday,
on.
around 2 a.m. you said?
Praise God.
Depends on your risk tolerance, my friend.
Your strategy, your exit strategy. Look, it's already up over 800%. It's already run up over 800%. How lucky do you feel? What do you think the Wells are going to do Saturday Night Live when it's on TV? You think they're going to keep holding that big bag that bought at 0.205? Or do you think they're going to take their profits and run?
Gonna dump on us.
There's a super chat here from Alex
I'm
Mays
so
for
down to wait
$5.
for
Could you
that.
tell everyone watching to sell and stop buying? That way we can buy the dip at a predetermined point.
Chainlink is exploding right now.
That's illegal.
Yeah, we cannot tell everyone that.
So Chainlink and VeChain, are those both on KuCoin?
I'm actually not sure. I don't use KuCoin, so I wouldn't know.
Alright, that's cool. I'll check it too.
Yeah, do a quick search and see what comes up.